Located in beautiful Darien, Connecticut, this stunning property is walking distance to the Weeburn Country Club, schools, and a mile of the train station, shops, and a quick drive to the beaches. Century-old stone walls border the entrance to this 2-acre gem. A curving stone driveway brings you to the front of this architect-designed colonial home with 5 bedrooms and 4 full baths. As you enter the 2-story foyer, flooded with light, you see through the center hall to the French doors at the rear leading to one of the stone patios. The wide front-to-back center hall leads to the main living spaces. A large living room with a fireplace and a coffered ceiling is at the rear of the home, which has southern exposure and abundant natural light. Adjacent to the center hall is the formal dining room, spacious and inviting. It's perfect for those lovely dinner parties and get-togethers of all sizes, as the wide center hall adjoining it has great flexibility. The kitchen, breakfast room, and family room all have access to a large deck, which overlooks the pool and spa with an overhead pergola for dining and relaxing. The recently remodeled kitchen features whitewood cabinets, marble countertops, hardwood floors, stainless steel appliances including Wolf, Bosch, and Sub-Zero, and a butler's pantry. Enjoy breakfast in the light-filled room. The family room has a 3rd fireplace, built-in cabinetry, and French doors with access to the deck and pool. Front staircase leads to 2nd-floor balcony onto which all 4 bedrooms open out. The stunning master suite has unique bell-shaped vaulted ceiling. The large master bath is equipped with double vanities, walk-in oversized steam shower, and whirlpool soaking tub. His and her dressing rooms complete the suite. 2 more bedrooms sharing a bath and a 3rd larger bedroom with its own bath are all accessed from front staircase. Off the mudroom is the 5th bedroom with its own sitting room, full bath, and bedroom, perfect for guests. For more information, please call the listing agent.